Hello, is it me you're looking for?
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have this awesome new product to show you. It's from Hello. It's a black charcoal whitening toothpaste and I've been using it for a whole week now. And let me tell you, it's amazing. It's all natural, vegan, which is always amazing. Vegan is where it's at. And also it has activated charcoal right here, right on the box. Leaping Bunny certified. So there's no cruelty on animals and it's 100% certified organic, vegan, natural, everything under the sun. And this is what you get in the box, this simple tube. It is 4 ounces of toothpaste, but it goes a long way. I want to demo the product and show you what it's like. I have my toothbrush right here, and I know it's a kid's toothbrush, but whatever, my teeth are small, so this one works better for me. I'm going to open it up, put a small amount right here, and you don't need a lot, and see, it's actually black. Like, no BS, it's black. So you know it's going to work for you. And it has mint, so you will get a really strong tingling sensation from the mint, but let me tell you, it's refreshing. I'm about to brush my teeth now with it. That sounds great, honey, right? Oh, yeah, oh, ha. Let me just tell you, this product is amazing and it really does work. I showed you how you simply just brush your teeth as normal, but you have to be careful because there is some stainage that happens. Even on your toothbrush, you'll have some stainage from the product. It will tell you somewhere, either here or on the box, you have like a tile or marble area. You don't want to ruin that because that will be expensive, and here you're going to be like, my life. So yeah, but this is a black toothpaste, as you saw, activated charcoal, which is amazing, and it's actually good for your mouth because it detoxifies, and there's no fluoride or sugars. And if you look at normal toothpaste, there's a lot of sugars in there, and there shouldn't even be sugars. Like, why have sugars? This is fluoride free, sugar free, chemical free, everything free. Like, there is nothing in this, just great ingredients and a great product for a great price. This is around like $5, so you get a lot of product for a very affordable price, which is amazing. So I think all of you should go check this one out. You can find it at Walmart, and I'll link it down below. Thank you for watching this very, very short video of this amazing Hello Whitening Charcoal toothpaste. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. I'd super appreciate it. And why not subscribe? It's free. And don't forget to press the notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, unless life happens, which usually life is happening now. Between Haley's princess running around for tickets and birthdays and parties, I'm stretched like so thin, but I'm still going to manage to make videos, so don't worry about that. There will be uploads. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.